So once you've got the central mandrel up, just use your little prong tool, take off the middle, and you can pull the whole thing out. And then get your little fork tool and just lever them up. You can pull the whole thing out as an assembly then. Sometimes you get the whole thing in a oneer. And then there's two clips here you just pull out. There you go. So by the looks of things, it looks like there's been a little bit of an impact there, but nothing too bad. It's not structural. It looks like I've got a new radiator as well. So I just bought the car. I never would have known until I took that grill off, but hey ho. Not bad, huh? Not bad, huh? Yeah!
On my